Hi, my name is Katie, and I'm going to be the speaker.
Hi, my name is Emma, and I'm going to be the writer.
And today we are going to be teaching you Hangman division with no remainders. Let's get started. First, come up with a problem. Our problem will be 927 divided by 3. That means we are going to be separating 927 into 3 equal groups. We are looking for how many would be in each group. We are going to look for multiples of 3 in this big number. I see 27. So first, let's get rid of this 27. Right now, I'm thinking of how many 3's go into 27. 9 3's go into 27. So 3 times 9 equals 27. Now we are going to do 927 minus 27, which is 900. My friend Emma's going to write that down. Now we have to figure out how many 3's go into 900. 300 3's go into 900. So we will do 3 times 300. Now let's do 900 minus 900, which equals 0. We use 309 3's. Now we add up 300 and the 9, which is 309. So 927 divided by 3 is 309. Bye! Thanks for watching!